Jatend piny Kenya mar ang'wen Uhuru Kenyatta opuo Raila kaka jatelo mane ohero kwe, ratiro kod adier, ka bende ne ochung' motegno ne kedo ne ratich oganda, gino mowacho ni biro dong' ka rapar e historia mar piny Kenya. Jatend piny ma Nigeria machon Olusegun Obasanjo ma bende noyore nyasi no onyiso tudruok machiegni gi osiep mane gintiere godo gi Odinga, kowacho ni ne ok en mana jatelo mana mane idewo e pacho ka kende to nyaka pinje mag Afrika. Bende oyango ni winjruok mane obedo e kind jatend piny Kenya William Ruto gi Raila Odinga mane onyuolo sirikand manyonda mar broad based en mane otelo e kinde mane goyo mbakano.
Mungu amuongoze kwa safari hii yake ya mwisho. We shall miss you. Jacob, we shall miss you. We shall miss you as a friend, a brother, and a leader of this nation. We shall miss your insights. We shall miss your thoughtfulness. We shall miss your wisdom. And we shall miss your laughter. Your deeds will live long, as I said, and we will remember. And I pray we remember those deeds in the actions that we shall live, emulating our friend and brother. So fare thee well, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Fare thee well, my ndugu. Fare thee well, my friend.
One thing that you could not take away from Raila is his love, passionate love for his country and for Africa. And that is what made our relationship to continue to grow from strength to strength. Anytime we met, no matter how serious the situation may be, you can be sure that Raila will turn the tension to something to laugh about. And for me, I've lost a brother, I've lost a friend, I've lost a confidant, I've lost a co-worker in the vineyard of Africa. Sleep in the bosom of your Creator. Adieu.